Hi students, today I am doing the problems based on multiple and submultiple angles. First problem, prove that 1 plus sin 2x plus cos 2x by 1 plus sin 2x minus cos 2x equal to cot x. Solution, LHS equal to, we have 1 plus cos 2x plus sin 2x divided by 1 minus cos 2x plus sin 2x equal to, we know that the formula for 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Since 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x and we have 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Now here we have to write these three formulae in this problem. So now 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x plus sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x divided by 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x, 2 sin square x plus sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x equal to, in the numerator we have common 2 cos x. Take common 2 cos x into, here we have cos x plus 2 cos x common, then here we have sin x divided by 2 sin x common into sin x plus cos x. Now 2 to cancel, cos x plus sin x plus cos x cancel, then we have cos x by sin x. We know that cos x by sin x equal to cot x. We have to prove that equal to cot x, hence proved. Second problem, prove that cos x by 1 plus sin x equal to tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Solution, LHS equal to, we have cos x by 1 plus sin x equal to, we have the formula for 1 plus cos alpha. The formula for 1 plus cos alpha equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. 1 minus cos alpha equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2. Now here we have 1 plus sin x. We have to write sin in terms of cos. We know that sin alpha equal to cos of 90 minus alpha. So here we have to write this one in the form of 1 plus cos alpha. We have to write sin x in terms of cos. So, and we have to write cos in terms of sin. So now it's equal to sin of 90 minus x divided by 1 plus cos of 90 minus x. It's equal to, we know that sin alpha equal to 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. So that formula we have to apply here. Sin alpha equal to 2 sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. Now it's equal to sin alpha equal to 2 sin alpha by 2, alpha equal to, here we have pi by 2 minus x. So pi by 2 minus x by 2. It implies pi by 2 minus x by 2 into cos alpha by 2, pi by 2 minus x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus cos alpha equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. So it implies it's equal to 2 cos square alpha equal to pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 minus x is alpha here. So pi by 2 minus x by 2 equal to 2 to cancel. So that we have sine of pi by 4 minus x by 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2 divided by cos of pi by 2 by 2, pi by 4 minus x by 2. Here we have cos square. So cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2 into cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2. So it's equal to these two are cancelled. Now sin alpha by cos alpha equal to tan alpha. So we get tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. It's equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Prove that secant 8x minus 1 by secant 4x minus 1 equal to tan 8x by tan 2x. Solution: LHS equal to secant 8x minus 1 by secant 4x minus 1 equal to, we know that secant alpha equal to 1 by cos alpha. So here we can take it as 1 by cos 8x, 1 by cos 8x minus 1 whole by 1 by cos 4x minus 1. Now it's equal to LCM cos 8x, then we get 1 minus cos 8x divided by, take LCM here, cos 4x, 1 minus cos 4x, it's equal to, we have 1 minus cos 8x by 8 cos 8x into, we have cos 4x by 1 minus cos 4x, cos 4x by 1 minus cos 4x equal to, we have 1 minus cos alpha equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2. 1 minus cos alpha equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2. When you have alpha, here you have alpha by 2. If you have 8x, we will have 4x here. So that here we have to write 2 sin square 8x by 2 into cos 4x whole by cos 8x into 1 minus cos 4x equal to 2 sin square 4x by 2. It's equal to 2 sin square 8x by 2 equal to 4x. So 2 sin square 4x into cos 4x divided by cos 8x into 2 sin square 2x 2 cancel. Then here we have sin 4x into cos 4x whole by cos 8x into sin square 2x equal to, now here multiply and divide by 2, then we get you take it as sin 4x into cos 4x into sin 4x equal to, we can write it as 2 sin 2x into cos 2x whole divided by cos 8x into sin square 2x. Then it's equal to, we know that 2 sin alpha cos alpha equal to sin 2 alpha. Formula is 2 sin alpha cos alpha equal to sin 2 alpha. So now here we can write 2 sin 4x into cos 4x equal to sin of 2 into 4x. So sin of 2 into 4x into, we have sin 2x into cos 2x, sin 2x into cos 2x whole by cos 8x into, here we have sin 2x into sin 2x into sin 2x. Now sin 2x and sin 2x are cancelled. Then we have sin 8x by cos 8x, sin 8x by cos 8x into cos 2x by sin 2x equal to cot 2x. It's equal to tan 8x into cot 2x equal to tan 8x by tan 2x. So here we have to prove that tan 8x by tan 2x. Hence proved. Prove that 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8 equal to 1 by 8. Solution. Given that LHS equal to 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8. It's equal to 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 5 by 8. 5 pi by 8 can be taken as pi minus 3 pi by 8. So 1 plus cos of pi minus 3 pi by 8 into 8 pi minus 3 pi by 8 equal to 5 pi by 8 into, we have 1 plus cos of 7 pi by 8 can be taken as pi minus pi by 8. Now it's equal to 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into, we know that cos of 180 minus alpha equal to minus cos alpha. So equal to, we have 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8. Next we have cos 180 minus alpha. Cos 180 minus alpha equal to, we know that, minus cos alpha. So we can take it as 1 minus cos pi by 8. Now it's equal to, here we have a plus b and a minus b form. So the product of these two equal to a square minus b square. So 1 minus cos square pi by 8. Similarly, here we have, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So it implies 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 8. Now it's equal to sin square pi by 8 into, it's equal to 1 minus cos square alpha equal to sin square alpha. So we can take it as sin square 3 pi by 8 equal to sin square pi by 8 into, we can write it as sin of 90 minus pi by 8. Pi by 2 minus pi by 8 is always equal to 3 pi by 8. Then we have whole power 2. We know that sin of 90 minus alpha equal to cos alpha. Sin of 90 minus alpha equal to cos alpha. So this can be written as cos pi by 8 whole square. Therefore, it's equal to sin square pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole square, which is nothing but cos square pi by 8 equal to, multiply and divide by 4. 1 by 4 into sin square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8 equal to 1 by 4 into, we can write it as 2 sin pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole square. 2 sin pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole power 2. Now we know that 2 sin alpha cos alpha equal to sin 2 alpha. It implies 2 sin alpha cos alpha equal to sin 2 alpha. Therefore, now it's equal to 1 by 4 into sin of 2 alpha whole power 2. Now it's equal to 4. So 1 by 4 into sin pi by 4 whole power 2. We know that sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole power 2 equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8. Hence proved.